Cheese. What else are you gonna put on your nachos?
Just cheese? You don't put no meat and jalapenos?
No, that's like $2.50 extra. Why would you do that?
I mean, Mexicans do it.
So, does it look like I'm Mexican? You see this? I don't go outside.
What about you? What you put on your nachos?
What?
What you put on your nachos?
Cheese.
Hey, you're not playing.
Who's over there?
Hey, buddy.
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm new here. I just got here.
Come here. Sit.
Like this guy here?
Today's my first day.
Oh, okay.
Where'd you come from? Fruitdale Christian All Boys School.
What's your name?
My name's Kai.
What's your story?
Alright, so at my all boys Christian school, I was sitting there and a bunch of girls came over to a house party and the dean didn't really find that friendly. And just led me here.
What's your deal being here?
Why here after everyone else? Like, why here?
Alright, so my great uncle's buddy lives in town. Yeah. They're the only people that could deal with me because I'm just such a good person, right?
Yeah.
And he's the only person that can deal with my Christian studies.
Huh. Is that it?
Okay. You like it here?
It's kind of weird. I heard a story about something that happened last year with this crazy guy with a broom.
All right. I'm gonna start you off. Just don't talk about that around here. All right.
Especially with the shirt you're wearing.
That was weird.
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Whoa! Did you hear that?
No, we're not going towards it.
Come on, let's go. Come on. We have to. Hurry!
Come in here.
There's lights here somewhere. There. No,
Pull a chair, I need a break.
I'm gonna go look for him. You sit there.
Hey, what do you like on your nachos?
I like to have a bunch of meat on my nachos. I like habanero sometimes. You have to have the cheese.
The habanero?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I don't know, man. I'm just having fun.
You're goofy.
Grabbing them poles and
Alright. So, I know you guys said not to talk about it, but why can't I talk about this?
Talk about what?
What happened last year?
It's a sensitive topic.
I mean,
Was it one of your friends or something that happened to?
We knew the people.
and
How close were you? Like family or?
we were like this. Trust me, man. I mean,
we were in it.
yeah,
So.
it was us.
It was you guys.
Well, we didn't kill him, but
We got Mac attacked with a broom.
we got a little action in on it.
It was
Yeah, he tried to drown me in a water fountain over there, but
What an idiot.
Yeah, he just knocked me unconscious.
Hey, he put me in the corner of a door or whatever and something, kept beating me with the broom.
No, man.
Eventually just let me go.
He trapped me in the
Beat
elevator.
you with the broom?
He trapped me with the elevator. As soon as I came out, he smacked me with that sucker. I mean, I flopped through the door.
He smacked you with the
He was,
broom
sit- he
too?
was,
he
sitting,
snapped me with the
he was
broom.
sitting there waiting around the corner. I'm just walking. He just bam hits me with it.
He thought a broom could actually kill people. He's not all up there.
Well, I mean, the broom did kill Taylor.
Yeah.
Did he actually
Wait,
kill
someone-
Taylor? I mean, yeah, he choked her.
Someone actually died?
She ain't here no more.
Yeah.
We don't know where she went.
We don't know where he went.
Yeah, well,
He's just gone.
he's gone.
Allie hit him once. He fell down the
He fell down
stairs.
the
She said she
stairs?
got him.
She got you out of there, ran away, tried to find help, and then
He was gone after that. I don't know what happened.
He's been gone.
Maybe he just deteriorated into the ground and became fungus. Did you see that?
I see that.
Well, good thing that he's gone because we don't need anything like that happening again, you know?
Oh, I know. I know.
That's disgusting.
Where I come from, girls don't exist in our schools, so.
Dude, I forgot my wallet in the locker room earlier.
You wanna stop by and get it real quick?
Yeah, I gotta go up there and get it.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Did you hear that noise?
Yeah, what was that, man?
Guys!
What's your problem?
What's going on, man?
It's happening again.
What's happening
What's
again?
going on?
Allie's dead.
Who?
Allie.
What?
No.
Dude, Ryan's back.
Where?
Swear to God.
Let me see it.
It's in the locker room.
No, I don't.
No, I'm not even joking.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, there's no way she's dead.
I went in there to go find my wallet.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Again? Really?
That's just really crazy, man. It's my first day here, and just stuff's already happening like that.
I didn't even find my wallet.
Go back
Dude.
and look for it. Maybe.
Dude,
We have more.
we
I
can't,
don't
we
really
can't
wanna
just
go
leave
in
her
there
here.
now.
We can't just leave her here.
Bro, I got
Well,
it. I'll call
let's just sit
911.
down,
Give me
figure
a
it
second.
out. Yeah, he'll try to call 911.
How are we gonna tell the others about this?
Bro,
Where are the others?
my phone ain't working. I don't. You try and
Phone
call.
ain't working?
No, I have no service.
What about you?
Mine just beeps.
What about you, new guy?
My phone works good, man.
I don't want to go through it again.
I don't either, but we have to. We have to do something.
The first time was stressful enough. I still got the bruise on my back.
You think Ryan's like that?
It can't be Ryan. He disappeared. He's gone.
Well, where'd he go?
Well, who? I don't know who else would want to just kill Allie.
Somebody looking for Ryan's revenge.
Maybe then we gotta go find Ryan. We need to go find the others too.
No one's seen him since.
Nobody
we
else
all-
knows about this but us right now.
Well, that and
Well, if he's calling the cops, everyone's gonna know about it by the end of tonight.
Well, I mean, it's Greenfield's cops, so they're gonna be here for a little bit.
I think we should just say, heck with the cops and start looking for ourselves.
Call the cops. They're on their way.
Yeah, they'll be here about another couple hours.
Yeah, because we're in Greenfield.
I said since we don't know where the others are right now, we split up into teams to just try looking for something.
All right, well,
Okay.
who's the teams?
I'll take new guy.
All right, Zach, me and you.
Before we leave, they said that they're sending Officer Shanks.
Officer Shanks.
Yeah.
He's the guy that worked on the case the last time. He was real good, but
Yeah.
not too good because obviously we don't know where Ryan's at.
I mean, it's not really his fault either because
Yeah, he just kind
he
of
literally just disappeared. We just gotta have faith that he'll find them.
Well,
Alright.
Until then, we gotta look at least.
We'll go.
sorry.
What's up, guys? It's my new friend Kai. He's new here.
Yeah. I just got here. I mean, I had an extreme life out in LA. I was a breakdance champion. I had a life-injuring toe injury, man. Messed me up. But what's going on here? Like yesterday, I saw a dead lady. Just sitting. She was in your guys' grade or something. She was just dead. What? Did this happen?
That's been happening for a while. He can probably tell you more about it. He can't. He kind of can't
He's
talk.
mute.
But
He said, "What's up?"
Not much, man. What's his name?
Kyle.
Sweet.
I don't know, dude. It doesn't add up. Kai just moves here, and all this stuff just starts happening like that, dude.
Man, he's just a new kid. I mean, everything went worldwide. The news heard
Yeah,
about it, but like,
You can't just make up. It's just so convenient.
well, I mean, I think what my problem is, it might be Ryan.
Dude.
I mean, come on. Who else?
How, though?
Where did he go?
I don't know, but...
I mean, in all honesty, it could be
but when
him
he just
again.
came back, like, the next day or something?
I mean, yeah, why not? I mean, it's been a year. I think Ryan could be the main suspect because he might come back for revenge. I mean, Allie took him down.
How are we going to start with Ryan, though? Where's he gone? We don't know where he went. How are we just going to find out where he goes?
We gotta look for him.
Just gonna hit him up on MySpace.
I mean, we gotta find clues. Well, I mean, who else would kill Allie? Like, nobody. Allie's a nice girl.
But you're missing the one thing.
What's that?
Wouldn't Ryan kill us too? Because remember, he tried to kill us.
What if he saves us for last?
Well, he's taking forever to do it.
Well,
Do we even know where the others are right now?
He's got a plan. I think he's just out.
Or are you saying we should probably go look for him?
Well, we gotta find the clues. Bro, prove me wrong.
Whatever. I still don't trust Kai though. There's still something off with him. I'm just telling you that.
He's just a new kid, man. Don't worry about it.
Well, let's go find out.
It's fine.
What happened to him? Why is he mute?
Alright, he's saying something offensive to you, but what happened to him though, he got like scarred as a kid, and it really messed with him.
Man, this is the spot where Taylor died. I mean, I figured this would be the best place to start out with because she was the only confirmed death.
I mean, this place looks the exact same as always, just except for the tree.
Well, who knows what he could have done with that broom? He could have done chopped that tree. I mean, that was his hiding spot.
Would he take it with him?
I mean, who knows what he could have done with it? He might have made a baseball bat or something out of it.
Yeah, but I don't know. There's nothing. I mean, he would have left a sign or something.
Well,
'Cause
I
I
mean, the tree's down.
Let's go check the other spots.
All right.
Really
It's
sucks.
not a
I feel bad
compliment.
for you.
That's not a compliment.
I guess it's my time to go. You know?
Yeah. I'll probably do that too. Who's that girl that just screamed at you down the hallway? Look, you already lazy man. You just got here.
Hey, look. I know I came from all boys Christian school, but still gotta have a game. You know.
What's up with that whole all boys Christian school thing? I've literally never heard of that before in my entire life.
Well, Humboldt Academy, you know, it would be your guys' Hillsboro, you know, your rivals. And we had the academics, the sports and everything. They had the babes, you know. That's crazy. Yeah.
So why did you move here? Like,
Well,
really?
it's either I go to Humboldt, and you know, I knew a couple of the girls there, I knew some of the dudes, but going to a rival school, it's not well. And then I heard about what happened here last year, and it kind of intrigued me, so I decided to come out here and see what that was about.
You didn't realize why that actually happened, right?
I have no clue
That
why it happened.
Allie girl that we found dead, she rejected Ryan last year. And
Oh,
she
man.
ended up being the one that smacked Ryan down the stairs.
It started with her and finished with her, right?
Yeah. And then he finished her.
Man.
Basically. So I don't really know. I guess we should just split up. We cover more ground if we both split up.
Yeah. I'll let you know if I see anything this way, alright?
Alright, I'll go this way and see what's going on in the gym.
Oh god.
Alright, so Mr. Roble went on a rampage last night, and he locked all the freshman track stars in every single one of these lockers. And I'm starting with this one to get him out.
Are you serious?
Yeah, man, he went cuckoo crazy last night, bro.
You've been here for like one day. The literary teachers going cuckoo crazy, people dying and stuff.
And they're sending me to fix it.
That's horrible.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
What's that smell?
What's this guy?
They shut off my water. Really? I'm sorry, I can't
Really,
take a
your
shower,
excuse
man.
is they shut off your water?
Yeah. Dude, you stink. Just like a football team in shorts. Hey man, come on. It's not my fault we suck.
Yeah, it is. If
Maybe
you're a
if
little
you're
bit better.
Yeah. I can't help the team if I'm injured all the time.
Dude, I've been here for 2 days and I already know you stink.
You know what? Screw both of you.
Alright, bro.
You would.
I'm gonna tell you what.
Dude, is that well?
That sounds like it. Well, I'm gonna continue getting these kids out of lockers.
Alright, I'm gonna go there and check to see what they're doing.
Does your phone even work now?
No, my phone doesn't work.
My phone is like.
It's kind of ridiculous.
It's just like.
You're supposed to buddy. Hey, buddy. There's nobody. It's just empty. Dude, that kid was just right there. I was just talking to him with Kai. Wait, where's Kai? Was he not? Was he in here? What? Yeah, Kai was literally just over here. Where'd he go? What? Okay, hang on.
There's nothing here.
Where did they all go?
There's something not right about this.
Dude.
Dude, we gotta get to the phone now. Oh, hey. There's no one in here.
Oh, dude, look. Phone.
Is it working?
No, mine's dead. Look in the other
Yeah.
rooms. There's more rooms back that way. I'll check this room.
It looks like the servers are down. Nothing's working.
This door's locked over here, man.
Let's try upstairs.
Alright, well. Do you see anything?
No, dude. No one's up here.
Odysseus.
What are these
Dude,
papers?
nothing. Keyboard's work. Nothing.
What's in this box, bro? Oh, look. We could use these for, since our phone lines are down, we could.
We gotta get this to everyone else now. Ella, you gotta get out here. Ryan's back.
This is the spot.
Yeah.
This is you, man.
Tried to beat me in right in that corner.
See any clues?
Messed up my thumb and everything.
Pretty big boy, if you ask me. Hey, I like your haircut, by the way.
Oh, thanks,
Looks
bro.
nice. We're coming up on the spot where I walked out of the elevator and got brutally assaulted.
Was it in the elevator?
He left me here to die. Good thing Allie came around the corner with her own broom and smacked at me. He tumbled. Right down there, right down here. Tripped and he fell. And they cracked his head right here. Did you see any clues? I mean, there were no blood stains here.
I mean, I feel like you would just.
I feel like he'd do something.
Yeah. There's one spot we haven't checked.
What's that?
The bathroom.
Oh, that's where Hayden. He got put in that
Well, if there's something there, it's gonna be there.
Yes, we'll go look. Hey, bread and butter was full.
Hey, they finally fixed that window after about a year or something like that.
Man, well, I don't even know what broke that window. Maybe it was Ryan. Maybe Ryan fixed the window. Maybe that's a sign.
Yeah.
I doubt it. He wouldn't do anything good. Like
Yeah.
He's too
Yeah.
bad.
That's just crazy.
I mean, Nick walked down through this hallway.
Is this where he found Hayden in the bathroom?
I can't believe he wasted in that coma. He was in that coma for like 2 weeks. Man.
He just looked like he survived it, dude.
There's the water fountain that Nick got smacked on.
Yeah.
I mean, it still works. Oh man,
Does it taste like blood?
a little bit. Still lingering, man. Oh man, I can only imagine what Nick's sight was. They walked in here and seen Hayden laying there.
It's crazy he even survived it.
Oh my god! But
But
he was in a coma for what? 3 weeks? 2 weeks?
Felt like forever. You know? He's just lucky to survive it. Been sitting here laying down for 2 days.
Nobody even checked on him.
That's what I don't get.
I mean, it looks like somebody's been in here recently.
Yeah. Could have been Ryan.
Ryan?
I mean, the footprints look like they got him dead, but
I don't know. I don't see nothing.
I mean, after we split off yesterday, I told Nick to meet us here by the greenhouse, so hopefully he does. We can give him one of these since our phones aren't working. I don't see him anywhere. There he is. What's he doing? There he is. Yeah, we found radio since our phones aren't working.
Oh, yeah, actually that'll work out very well. Yeah, he's not that better.
Ty?
Threw him in there like trash.
I really don't think he's in there.
He could have had the bird.
I got a bug in my eye.
Could be anywhere. I mean, he could be in here. I mean, it's worth looking.
Yeah,
I
it's all
guess.
like around the corner.
I mean, let's split up and we can find him.
Yeah,
Okay. Hi. Hi.
Man, this place is a mess. Look, what? What is it? They got a giant Connect 4 game over here, man. Looks like we had a tie.
actually, I just found them.
What?
Bam!
No way. What are you doing?
This stuff.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, did you find him?
Yeah,
we found him. He was sitting here holding a bat. What?
I found a bat and I was waiting for him to come around.
Who?
Wait for who?
The guy,
What guy?
the guy that did the stuff last year.
Ryan?
Yeah, Broom Boy. What?
What do you know about?
Did you see him?
I didn't. I was
Why do you have a bat?
just, in case he tried to kill me with the broom.
Well, it's not much help when you're just sitting there.
I fell asleep waiting for him.
Was he like chasing you or what?
No, I just came over here to see if you'd come across these parts and I just fell asleep.
Are you alright, mate? You burn it up. What is the matter with you?
red.
I don't know what's going on, man. I just know I came in here and sat down, and as I was waiting, I fell asleep.
I don't know, man. You just look rough.
Alright, well, guess
let's
we'll just
get you outta
go
here.
look for him.
Look for whoever the guy is.
Yeah, the broom boy.
Let's go get Broom Boy.
Hey, what were you doing?
I was actually waiting for
What's your problem?
I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on.
Dude, I think there's something going on. Like, hi. Yeah, I know, like, look at him.
His cheeks were so red. It seemed like there was something wrong with him.
It's like, he started all of a sudden having this attitude and stuff like that. And then, I told you earlier, isn't it just a coincidence that Brian all of a sudden starts killing again as soon as he shows up? Literally the same day?
I mean, I didn't believe you at first, but now.
Yeah, see, now, and then Cameron was there. Cameron gets killed. Kai's gone. Where'd he go?
Guess what?
And why is he having a bat?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering. And when I had it, he just yanked it out.
I know.
Did you see that?
Like, there's something going on here that we need to figure out.
It's gonna be us against them.
What's going on, man? You know
What's
what I
up,
mean?
man? I'm new here, bro.
All right.
Really pushing me there,
you know,
man.
Yeah, I can show you around. You know, show you around the building. Come on.
Hey, dude, I just got here, bro.
Yeah. Well,
I come here from Detroit, you know.
Yeah, well, whatever.
Feel me, son?
Yeah, I don't care.
I got jumped into a gang, you know.
Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Oh yeah. Anyways, it's up here. See, you know. Okay. You know, and new kids over there too. You know.
Oh, for sure.
And you know, that's it. That's all we got to talk about.
Well, man, I feel that, bro.
Yeah, whatever.
I got to skedaddle. It's all things that. Got to skedaddle.
Yeah, I gotta go over here.
I don't know about you, but I don't know what an oxidation number is, and I do not know how I'm supposed to find it from the periodic table. Like, I have no... Hey, what's up?
Alright, I'm Kai, I'm new here. I just came straight from the haulers in Alabama. This test, I've never had to do anything like this. I don't even know what subject this is.
Don't worry, we're the same way.
Peace, loser.
Hey guys, I'm new here. My name's Kai. What's up, man?
What's up?
Hi. I just got here. I was in LA. I was breeding and selling weevils as just like a prank, and I got busted by the FDA, and they sent me this way. Hey, wait a minute. You guys look real similar. Are you guys related?
Yep.
I knew you were gonna say that.
That's cuckoo crazy. Well, I'll see you guys.
Yep. See ya.
Scrappy Doo
Dude,
is
oh my god.
Scrappy Doo is so much better.
Bro, oh
This
my
could be-
god. He's
Dude,
so much more
if I was
talented
Scrappy
than
Doo right
everything
now,
else.
I'd beat
Dude,
the
shut up.
crap
Get
out
out. Get out. I'm done, dude.
Scrappy Doo is so much better.
Dude, shut up. Go home. Freaking hate that kid, dude. If anybody says that Scrappy Doo is better,
What are you talking about?
we'll talk about how good Scrappy Doo is of a character.
Dude, I think it has to have been Kai.
Kai, I mean, come on now.
Kai and Ryan could be working together, you never know.
Well, I mean, what if it's a new guy?
Kai is the new guy.
Oh well, I mean, yeah, Kai is the new guy, but I mean, what if it's someone else? Like, what if Ryan brainwashed somebody?
Brainwashed?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Dude, I can't believe it was Trevor. Like, Ryan and Trevor?
That doesn't surprise me. It's his
I mean,
brother.
yeah, getting his revenge.
At least I got his
tell you
hat.
what, he lit
Does
up
that-
my
does-
left side.
Does that mean Ryan's dead then? Or like, where did he go?
What if he like tripped and trapped him and making a sidekick?
I don't know. Maybe they're both messed up from the beginning with.
Probably.
I mean, now Trevor's gone. Like,
Blame their mom.
he got the hat, you know.
I got his hat.
Yeah.
That's all that matters. And I saw him found my wallet.
Well, hey, I tell you what, just go look for it. I mean, everything's cleared out.
You never did
I don't
actually. You never did like go look for it.
I don't really want to go in there.
Well, I mean,
You guys can go look for it.
what color was it?
It was like brown.
Brown?
It's the only wallet in there.
Alright,
Real
we'll go.
fold
We'll
or
find it.
trifold?
No, it's just the only wallet in there. Nobody else left their
How
wallet.
much money you got in it?
Like $3.
Might have one.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Let's go. You see it now. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I really shouldn't be here by myself. Just me and this hat.
You wired me awake and hit me with a hand of broken nails. You tied my lead and pulled my chain to watch my blood begin to boil. But I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. Too cold to start a fire, I'm burning diesel, burning dinosaur bones. I'll take the river down to Stillwater and ride a pack of dogs. I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. I'm gonna break my When the forest burns along the road like God's eyes in my headlights, when the dogs are looking for their bones and it's raining ice picks on your steel shore, I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. I'm gonna break my rusty cage and run. I'm gonna break my rusty cage.
I'll pick him up. Go get your friends next time, buddy.
Dude, I can't believe we got to in front of a stupid wall.
I know,
It's probably literally just sitting in there.
Why is God? What?
Dude, open up the door. Wait.
I love the French Poles. Bread and butter.
Bread and butter, baby.
Throw me for a push. Show me in the water fountain. We gotta get out of here. Take the hat. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. What about Kai? Get up. What about Kai? He's getting up.
Somebody's gotta take it.
Get up. Go. Why'd you do that?
What do you mean? Why did I do that?
Why'd you tackle me?
What's your problem, man?
What are you guys doing?
What are you doing? You just tried to kill us.
When?
When you teamed up with Trevor.
I teamed up with Trevor?
Yes, you teamed up with Trevor.
Wait,
What?
you don't know?
You didn't know?
I don't know what I've been doing the past couple
Dude,
weeks.
what's your problem, man?
Dude, what did I do?
Listen, man, he's out there somewhere. You just gotta shut your mouth and go kill him if you're on our side now.
I'll help you guys. Come on. I got you.
Come on, come on, we got him. Come on. Wake up.
No! Why? Why'd you do this? Why'd you make me do this? I thought we were family.
No, you failed me.
How'd I fail you?
You can't even do a simple job. It's not that hard. You failed.
They're too strong!
No one's ever too strong. But that doesn't matter to you. Because you're not going to be alive long enough to do this. I'll be taking my job back now.
You made me this way!
That doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You failed. This is my job now.
This is your plan all along, was it?
Yeah, it was.
Don't do this to your own brother! Oh!
I'll do it myself.
There ain't no grave can hold my body down. There ain't no grave can hold my body down. When I hear that trumpet sound, I'm gonna rise right out of the ground. Ain't no grave can hold my body down. Well, look way down the river, and what do you think I see? I see a band of angels, and they're coming after me. Ain't no grave can hold my body down. There ain't no grave can hold my body down. Well, look down yonder, Gabriel. Put your feet on the land and see. But Gabriel, don't you blow your trumpet till you hear from me. There ain't no grave can hold my body down. Ain't no grave can hold my body down. Well, meet me, Jesus, meet me. Meet me in the middle of the air. And if these wings don't fail me, I will meet you anywhere. Ain't no grave can hold my body down. There ain't no grave can hold my body down. Well, meet me, mother and father. Meet me down the river road. And mama, you know that I'll be there when I check in my load. Ain't no grave can hold my body down. There ain't no grave can hold my body down. There ain't no grave can hold my body down.